Today, we will look into whether there is any difference between methods and techniques of costing and what actually makes this difference. The basic principle of ascertaining costs are the same in every system of cost accounting. However, the method of analyzing and presenting the cost may vary from one industry to another. The method used in collecting and presenting costs will depend upon the nature of production or service offered. Method means a process by which a task is completed, or in simple terms, a way of doing something. Technique, on the other hand, is the scientific principle, systematic procedure needed, or a routine by which a task is accomplished. Both method and technique are two words that are almost interchangeably used. Costing methods are used to ascertain the cost of product or service. Method of costing simply means the method of finding cost, that is, cost per unit of product or service. The choice of a method of costing depends upon the nature of product, service, and industry. In addition to the methods of costing, there are some techniques or types of costing also. Types or techniques of costing refer to the manner of ascertaining cost for cost control and decision-making process. They are the ways in which cost information is presented to the management for cost control and decision-making. Costing method is habitual, logical, or prescribed practice or systematic process of achieving certain end results with accuracy and efficiency. A technique is a way used for doing a work. Technique of costing is a way of ascertaining cost. Management should choose a technique which is most suitable for achieving the objectives of cost control and decision making. The general fundamental principle of ascertaining costs are the same in every system of cost accounting, but the method of analysis and presenting the costs vary from industry to another industry. Broadly, the costing methods are classified as specific order costing or job or terminal costing and operation costing or so-called process or period costing. The technique in costing consists of the body of principles and rules for ascertaining the cost of product and service. The technique is dynamic and changes with the change in time. Costing methods example include batch costing, contract costing, multiple costing, operating costing, etc. All these are variations of the two basic methods mentioned earlier. The examples of costing techniques are marginal costing, direct costing, uniform costing, etc. We will be discussing in detail about the different methods and techniques of costing in our next video. Stay tuned. Please do share your comments. For more updates, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.